Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, we're looking at some more of my Greenlight Collectibles service vehicles, mostly police cars. I've got a 1983 Ford Limited Crown Victoria used in Terminator 2 Judgment Day. It's Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series. Then I've got a 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, Sterling Heights Police, Michigan. Greenlight Collectibles Hot Pursuit series. I've got another Greenlight Hollywood series, a 1992 Ford Crown Victoria. I've got a Greenlight Collectibles Police General Motors Fleet, a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe, and the last one I have is a Greenlight Collectibles Hot Pursuit series, Nevada Highway Patrol State Trooper, Nevada, USA. And this one is a 2019 Dodge Charger. Alright, let's look at them one by one, and I'll pop them on the turntable. Okay, the first car in today's video, let's look at this 1983 Ford Limited Crown Victoria. Like I said earlier, was used in the movie Terminator 2 Judgment Day, the 1991 super hit from James Cameron. A little movie synopsis on the back of the packaging. Alright, let's get him out of the pack. Okay, that's the car. Pretty detailed as always, being a Greenlight release. It's got blue bar siren lights, painted headlights, blinkers, chrome grille. Pretty decent livery and decals on the side. It's got a license plate, Ford logo, metal chassis, chrome bumpers. Don't think the bonnet opens on this one. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay, next up is a 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, one of the most common and popular models used for service vehicles around the states. Police cars, pretty much every single state has one. And this one's a Sterling Heights Police, Sterling Heights, Michigan. Okay, let's get him out of the pack. That's the car, guys. One of my favorite models from Greenlight. Pretty good white color scheme. Sterling Heights on the side, plastic headlights, siren lights on the top, as well as the front grille. Beautiful Ford logo. There's lights on the mirrors too. Siren lights. Chrome exhaust, metal chassis, painted taillights, Ford logo, license plate. Just awesome, guys. Chrome on the mirrors too. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay, next one is a 1992 Ford Crown Victoria Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series, and this was shown and used in the movie Drive. I think it's Ryan Gosling, if I'm correct. Another famous police car used across the states, mostly LAPD and NYPD, but also other precincts and jurisdictions. Alright, I'll get him out of the pack. And I was right, guys, it is Ryan Gosling. A little mini synopsis of the movie, if anyone's interested. Good looking car, guys. Pretty good release from Greenlight. They always do a good job when it comes to service vehicles. Beautiful siren lights on top. Nice livery on the side. 911 emergency. Painted headlights, Ford logo. Side mirrors. Chrome on the side mirrors. Some more details on the back. US flag. They skipped the license plate. But overall, pretty good. Alright, I'll put him on the turntable. Okay, next up, I've got a Greenlight Collectibles Police General Motors fleet. It's a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. I quite like this model as well, Chevy Tahoe. And I also like the Chevy Suburban. Alright, let's take a closer look. Okay, that's the vehicle, guys. Chevy Tahoe. Beautiful decal and liveries, 911. Siren lights on top. It's got a bull bar, painted headlights, Chevy logo, siren lights on the mirrors, as well as the front. License plate, painted taillights, chrome exhaust, metal chassis. Beautiful, guys. Alright, turntable time. Alright guys, last one in today's video is a 2019 Dodge Charger, Nevada Highway Patrol State Trooper, Nevada, USA. And this one's part of Greenlight Collectibles Hot Pursuit series. The other models in this series, Series 41. I really love and I'm quite impressed with the blister packaging from Greenlight. They do an awesome job to protect their models from damage during transit and shipping, and they always end up arriving in their pristine and prime condition. Quite impressive, guys. Alright, let's get him out of the pack. 2019 Dodge Charger, guys. Another beautiful release from Greenlight. Gray color scheme. Siren lights on top. It's got a bull bar. Plastic headlights. Highway patrol, state trooper. Decals on the side. Beautiful plastic taillight. The Dodge. Famous one that goes all across from the left to right. License plate. Decals on the side. Chrome exhaust, metal chassis. Just beautiful, guys. And now the temptation starts to pry it open. Yes. Beautiful. I know there's other brands coming out of China that do a pretty good detailing and take the engine bay detailing to a whole new level, but quite happy with Greenlight's efforts for a 1/64 scale as well. Alright, I'll put him on the turntable. Alright guys, that's all the cars we had to look at today in today's unboxing video. We started off with the 1983 Ford Limited Crown Victoria. We had a look at the 2020 Ford Police Interceptor Utility. Then we had a look at the 1992 Ford Crown Victoria and the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. And the last one we had to look at was a 2019 Dodge Charger. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next unboxing video. Peace out.